Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mirna Yulianti from Class 12 Social 2. I'm going to show you how to use Capsule Blender. It makes cooking fun. Before using and after using, please check the completeness of this Capsule Blender. The first step, install the blade in the middle of the top in the correct position. When installing the blade, point the solid blade toward the axis that looks like a needle protruding from the top. Two, put the food ingredients into the top.
If different types and densities of food are added, cut the denser foods into small pieces, and make sure the amount of food that is entered doesn't exceed dosage amount, because if you don't, it can hinder the blender from working, and even have the potential to be damaged.
Make sure to blend the food ingredients with the addition of water.
Put the top on and make sure it's secure.
Please plug the plug into the socket after the blender is installed perfectly. Press and hold the button at the top of the blender until the ingredients are as smooth as you want them to be. After the food is ground to the desired texture, please ensure that the blade stops turning completely before removing it. Open the blender cover and remove the blade, so that the food that has been processed can be removed.
When removing the blade, please be careful not to injure your hands.
After use, please unplug the plug from the socket. That's all it takes. Now you know how to use Capsule Blender. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you.